The small group of boys huddled at the riverbank as they stripped into their undergarments. Within moments, they had all dived into Ngong River's cold, whistling waters. They excitedly pointed out some fish that had fled the human intrusion. Among them was Jason Amimo. It was early 2000s and he was a 9-year-old boy in lower primary school. Almost every day, just before they crossed Ngong River on their way to school, Jason and his friends would swim in the river for a few minutes. He says that he really misses those days. These days, the 28-year-old Jason is still residing in Kibra and on a mission to save Ngong River. In the course of his lifetime, Ngong River became so degraded that it lost resemblance to a normal river. Many people started referring to it as mtaro, which roughly translates to a drainage of dirty water. Jason and dozens of other Kibra residents are working diligently to restore this river so that it can start flowing powerfully again like it used to.